Court is a serious matter that is often difficult for teenagers to understand. Therefore, Andrews High School Student Council has teamed up with Judge Debbie Gomez from the City of Andrews to implement Teen Court in the 2018-2019 school year. Teen Court is a program that handles real court cases, but is ran by teenagers who take the roles of jury, defendants, and attorneys. This program gives a second chance for defendants ages 14 to 17 who have pled guilty or no contest to a Class C misdemeanor charge, and allows teens who are interested in law an opportunity to experience a real court process.
Respondents have a true and valid case against them. They have been found guilty of a charge. So it is very serious, very important case that is going before teens that are going to be presenting their case, as well as the teen jurors that are going to be making a determination of a sentence to that person. So it's a valid court action that's taking place.
When a student commits a Class C misdemeanor, they refer to the teen court. The case is then presented. The only way they may be able to participate in the program is if the defendant has already pled guilty or no contest. The defendant must also be accompanied by a parent or guardian. Each defendant will be assigned 2 volunteer student attorneys. The jury, made up of 6 student volunteers, will be responsible for determining an appropriate sentence for the defendant based on the severity of the misdemeanor.
It's a range of anywhere from 8 to 40 hours. It doesn't go over 40 for even the worst sentencing stage that we have to look at. It's a set of 2 to 4 jury terms, depending on the case as well. It's not meant to be overwhelming to the respondent, but it is to help them understand that the offense that they committed is a crime and it is punishable.
At this time, this case is closed.
At the conclusion of these proceedings, the defendant will be given an assigned disposition. The defendant will need to see the clerk for their paperwork. Completion will result in the charge being cleared from their records. Completion failure, however, will result in a reopening of the case and will be taken to an adult court. This may result in a stronger punishment. This program is a great opportunity, but it requires the volunteerism of teens in the community.
To volunteer for teen court, you must be between the ages of 14 and 17, or 18 if you're still in high school. It is part of the application process. You must be able to be here on time. You must be able to be here every time. If you miss more than 2, then you would not be able to stay in the class anymore, so therefore you would not be able to volunteer for that term.
If you're interested in participating as a student volunteer, applications will be available with Mrs. Walker in room G1 at Andrews High School. Teen Court allows student volunteers to gain knowledge of the justice system while earning community service hours. The court also allows student offenders a second chance to keep their records clean, learn about the justice system, and an opportunity to receive a less harsh sentence for offenses.
I think that this is going to be a great turnout, a great program within Andrews, and I feel like it's going to benefit not only students but adults as well. And it will set an example to everyone about leadership and doing what's right, and so I think it's going to be a great and awesome program.